All right, everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Gunther's Gourmet. Doing a little bit more Greek food today. Something quick, something simple. I actually saw a picture of it in a cookbook this morning. I figured, why not do it, right? So we're going to do a baked feta with honey and sesame seeds. Don't need a lot here. You need phyllo dough. I get my phyllo dough at my local Mediterranean store, which is Nick's Produce here in Westwood Avenue in Richmond, Virginia. I suggest you get it at an ethnic Mediterranean store where they go through it a lot. A lot of times your main grocery stores, it sits in the freezer for a while and it dries up and it's going to be just crinkly and it's not going to be any good. You're going to need some fresh sesame seeds. The honey, we have beehives here on the property. This one's from Roanoke on my mom's yard. It's called the Yaya hive. Yaya is Greek for grandmother, so I figured we're going to use her honey on there. And then you're going to need a nice chunk of feta. Again, the feta is going to come from Nick's Produce. He has it fresh. He has it in the big bins where he can cut it for you, or he's got 8-pound tubs. He's got everything you need. And we're going to need a little bit of clarified butter and a brush. So we're going to lay out the phyllo dough. We have some right here. We'll lay out it individual layers. Okay, so we're going to lay out the phyllo dough in individual layers, and we're going to butter each one. Each one of these, we're going to cut it down the middle, should make 2 if you're worried about your diet, this is probably not, anything with phyllo is probably not going to be healthy for you. We use a lot of butter. So we'll get one more layer. Getting old is tough. I can't see. As you can see, this comes apart fairly easily, fairly quickly. We'll do 4. Figure 4. All right, so this is our 4th layer. I think it's actually the 5th. I think the first one I put down was 2 stuck together. That's okay. Now with this phyllo here, you're going to want to roll it and wrap it and put it back in the fridge quickly so it doesn't dry out. I also suggest that you have plans for several things. Once you open a box of phyllo, that's kind of it. All right, so we put the phyllo away because we don't want it to dry out too much. And this is going to be our last layer of buttered phyllo. When we make baklava, galakaburukul, tropitakia, spinach puffs, spanakopita, you're going to want to buy stock in butter. All right, so we're going to kind of divvy this in half because we're going to make 2. The reason I want to make 2 is I've actually never made this before. I want to see if it cooks better on a sizzle platter or see if it cooks better on foil. And so we're going to learn together. So we have a lovely, let me bring this into the picture, lovely block of feta. I'm guessing, no, that fits almost perfect. Again, I have no technique on this as I've never made it before, so I'm guessing. One of the things about cooking you need to figure out how to do is how to fix your mistakes so nobody knows you made one. We're going to butter this all along the way. We're going to fold the ends over. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm actually impressed with myself. That looks a lot better than I thought. And we'll do the same with this one. I guess this would be the equivalent of a baked brie. I forgot to fold the ends over. Except it's feta, so it's better. All right, we're just going to pop it. I've got about a 375 degree oven. We have one on a sizzle plate, one on foil, and we're just going to bake them probably 20-25 minutes. And we'll be back. And we're going to dress it. So we've been cooking it for about only 15 minutes. I just put the oven up a little bit to closer to 400. They're getting a nice golden brown. We're going to go ahead and pull them out right now. Just turn everything off. That's just about perfect. They both seem to move easily on the tray, so I guess plate presentation will be easy. I guess if you assume that we have that much butter on something, it will not stick. So we chose a black plate to help offset. Greek food is not the most exciting food when it comes to color. We have a lot of browns, right? But we chose a black plate to kind of offset the color. We are using Yaya's honey. I have an open jar here. This is from a 2018. And you're going to notice the difference between this honey and store-bought honey. There's no high fructose corn syrup in here. This is 100% what the bees made. I strained it through a cheesecloth. And that is it. Get some sesame seeds on here. And we have sesame seeds all over the floor. What do you think of that? I have car crackers here. You know, I don't even want to put them on there because I think they're going to mess it up. So we'll just get a little side thing for some crackers. I think it looks so pretty without it. That's your baked feta. This is going to be good. All right, we appreciate your time again today. Let us know what you want to see us make in the comment section. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, do all that stuff for analytics. If you're a retailer and you want to carry the Gunfish products, give me an email. I'll get you a wholesale price list. Otherwise, we're just going to keep making what I like, and until you all tell me what to do, you know, I hope you're enjoying what I like. Thanks again. Thanks for cooking with Gunfish Gourmet, and we'll see you on the next one. You all have a great day.